Hello, good day everyone. Welcome back with another video. Today our topic is how to clean WC. For WC cleaning, first of all we need WC chemical, one red sponge, one red color duster, WC brush, one pair of gloves, toothbrush, and our special chemical Raylan. Spray the WC chemical thoroughly inside and outside of the WC. After spraying, leave the chemical for 5 minutes to react with the surface. After 5 minutes, use the WC brush to clean inside the bowl. Always work from top to bottom. After brushing, start scrubbing the WC. Use the hard side of the red sponge. Scrub the entire WC from top to bottom. Apply the special chemical Raylan, especially to the WC rim. Use the toothbrush to reach tight corner where the sponge and WC brush cannot reach. Wash your sponge and clean completely and wipe away the chemical using the soft side of the sponge. Repeat 3 times to ensure 100% chemical is removed from the surface. And the last, use the red duster to buff the WC unit and make sure it is completely dry. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new from this video. For time being, bye bye, take care and see you in next video.